Self-liberation. When we speak about self-liberation, we are not proceeding from this concept of transformation. Self-liberation doesn't mean you are transforming something into something else. There is not even this concept of pure or impure. Of course, this doesn't mean that when you are doing Dzogchen practice your impure vision disappears, but when you are in a state of contemplation, there is no concept of pure or impure. Then you are in a state of self-liberation. You can learn about the principle of self-liberation using the example of the mirror. In the Dzogchen teaching, we use the symbol of the mirror in order to have knowledge and understanding. How? First of all, with a mirror, you must observe yourself, not just look at objects, judging and thinking that this is good or bad, this is pure or impure. When you have this concept, then you also have dualistic vision. How can you overcome this? You observe yourself instead of looking at the objects. For example, if you are looking in a mirror, you can see your face, your existence. In this way, you can discover, for example, what your face looks like. This means that you are observing yourself, and you can discover your limitations, your condition, and your existence. In general, we don't observe ourselves, particularly when we study in an intellectual way. As long as you have the concept that there is your point of view, then there is also the point of view of others. If you are convinced of your own point of view, then you must negate that of others, which means judging everything, looking at objects and doing analysis, something very different than observing yourself.